Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from Group 8. So we are going to present on our group assignment 1, which is Piaget stage of cognitive development. So my group consists of 4 members, which are me, myself, Nur Syamta binti Usmadi, with my number 210033. Next, Nur Ainun Syahira binti Abdul Rahman, with my number 211146. Then Muhammad Badrishah bin Muhammad Asri, with metric number 211602, and Hester with metric numbers 211465. So for Piaget theory of cognitive development is a well-known and influential theory in the field of developmental psychology. Jean Piaget, a Swiss psychologist, proposed this theory to explain on how children develop intellectually and how their thinking processes evolve as they interact with the world around them. The theory is based on the idea that children actively construct their understanding of the world through a dynamic process that involves assimilation and accommodation. So this will be our table of contents, which consists of stage 1 sensory motor talk, stage 2 pre-operational talk, stage 3 concrete operational talk, and stage 4 formal operational talk. So now I'm going to present on specifically focusing on the sensory motor stage proposed by the renowned Swiss psychologist Jean Piaget. So this stage, spanning from birth to approximately 2 years of age, is a critical period in a child's cognitive journey, laying the groundwork for future intellectual growth. In the earliest days of life, newborns rely on instinctive reflexes to navigate the world around them. These automatic responses, such as sucking or grasping, serve as their initial means of interaction. As time progresses, infants embark on a journey of discovery, repeating actions that bring them pleasure and comfort. This repetitive behavior marks the beginning of their exploration and learning. A monumental achievement during the sensory motor stage is the development of object permanence. Imagine a child realizing that even when a toy disappears from view, it continues to exist. This understanding is a constituent of cognitive development and signifies a significant leap in their ability to comprehend the world. As infants grow, their actions evolve into more goal-oriented behaviors, no longer limited to reflexive movements. They actively engage with objects around them, demonstrating intentionality in their actions. Imitation becomes more apparent, and the ability to engage in goal-directed behavior emerge as they observe and mimic actions in their environment. Besides, the sensory motor stage, in essence, is the building blocks of cognitive development. It forms the foundation for sensory and motor skills, allowing infants to grasp the basics of the physical world. This early stage sets the stage for the intricate cognitive processes that will unfold in the subsequent stages of Piaget's theory. In conclusion, understanding the sensory motor stage provides us with a profound insight into the remarkable journey of infants as they transition from mere reflex-driven beings to active participants in their environment. It is a stage of discovery, curiosity, and the laying of cognitive foundations that will shape their intellectual landscape in the years to come. So here I share a video of Piaget's experiments of a two-year-old child. Adik, ni. Adik nak pilih mana? Sini ke sini? Sini? Mana si adik? Si adik kat mana? Mana boleh tengok? Sini ke sini? Okey. Tada! Yeay! Nah, bagi kakak. Okey, adik tekan lagi. Allah. Adik pilih mana? Jangan angkat dulu. Adik nak yang ni ke yang ni? Yang ni. Alah, tak ada. Sini. Yeay, okey.
The second stage is the pre-operational stage. According to Piaget's theory of cognitive development, typically this stage occurs in children between the ages of 2 and 7 years. This stage is characterized by significant cognitive and language development, but children in this stage still exhibit limitations in their thinking and understanding of their world. Here are some key features of the pre-operational stage. The first one is the egocentrism. Egocentrism refers to the child's inability to see the world from the perspective others than their own. They struggle to understand that others may have different thoughts, feelings, or viewpoints. This egocentric thinking is especially evident in their communication and interaction with others. They might be shy with people other than their family or someone they know. The second one is centration. Centration is the tendency to focus on only one aspect of situation by neglecting other important factors. Children in this stage may fixate on the most visually striking aspect of an object and ignore other relevant characteristics. The third one is the intuitive reasoning. While logical reasoning is still developing, children in the pre-operational stage may use intuitive reasoning to solve problems. They often rely on their immediate perception and assumptions rather than the systematic logic. The last one is the animism. Children in this stage may attribute lifelike qualities in inanimate objects. For example, they might believe that a favorite toy has feeling or that the sun is happy or sad. The doll. The doll is happy or sad. This is a reflection of their developing imaginations and ability to attribute intention to objects. They think like objects have feeling. For, that's why kids love to play with dolls. So basically, in this stage, conservation involves understanding that certain properties of an object, such as quantity, volume, or number, remain the same despite changes in appearance. Children in the children in this stage often struggle with conservation tasks. It is important to note that these characteristics are general trends observed in children during this pre-operational stage, and individual differences still exist. As children progress through this stage, they gradually acquire more advanced cognitive abilities and move on to the next stage of development, which is the concrete operational stage. That's all from me. Thank you. Hi Nana, how old are you? 6. Okay, as you can see here, which one has more point, line 1 or line 2, or is it same? Same, both are 5. Right, both are 5 points. Can you close your eyes? Open your eyes. So from here, which one is more point? The top or bottom? The top one. It has more points from your view. Okay. Thank you, Lala.
So now I will present about concrete operational stage. So for this stage, it is within 7 years old to 11 or 12 years old begin to think logically about concrete events. So now, as we know, it is begin for this year or this stage, they begin to understand the concept of conservation, that the amount of liquid in a short white cup is equal to that in a tall skinny glass, for example lah. So thinking becomes more logical and organized, but still very concrete. So they're using inductive logic or reasoning from specific information to a concrete operational principle lah. So this is about concrete operational stage. So this stage is very important to observe how the children within 7 years old to 11, how they are thinking about something, and how we can know their thinking becomes more logical and how they are organized their thinking. So for now, I will show you the video that I have already done with my sister, and she is 8 years old, and I observe her about the coin. So you can see. Okay, ada tengok di sini ni, baris mana yang lagi banyak ke sama banyak? Baris ni ke baris ni? Dua-dua sama banyak? Okay, kalau macam baris mana sama banyak? Lagi banyak? Eh, dia banyak ni. Kenapa dia kat dia banyak ni? Satu-satu. Dia yang lagi banyak? Oi, sao nghĩ quá. Okay. Rất là đi kệ đúng không? Bây giờ ẩm bây giờ còn cái sama banyak. Sama banyak. Balik mana ya banyak? Balik tiga, balik ni. Coba kan dia balik lagi banyak. Sebab ni panjang lagi ni. Oh, sebab ni panjang lagi ni. Serius ni? Okay.
Now we go to the stage 4, which is formal operational stage. So Piaget's formal operational stage is the fourth and final stage in his theory of cognitive development, typically emerged during adolescence and continues into the adulthood. In this stage, the individual acquire the ability to engage in abstract and hypothetical thinking, allowing them to reason about concepts beyond concrete, tangible, and experiences. Symbolic representation and manipulation become the key cognitive skill that enabling adolescents to engage in hypothetical deductive reasoning. They can systematically generate and test hypotheses, think about possibilities, and consider potential outcome. Moreover, Individual in the formal operational stage demonstrate an increased capacity for metacognition, enabling them to reflect on their own thought processes. This stage also represent a shift toward more sophisticated and abstract cognitive ability, laying the foundation for advanced problem solving, scientific reasoning, and the development of complex mental models. Oke. Pada pendapat Anda, mana lagi berat? Besi atau bulu?
Besi dulu, besi.
Oke. Mana lagi berat? 100 kilo besi atau 100 kilo bulu?
1 kilo besi dengan 100 kilo bulu. Sama.
Kenapa sama?
Sebab berat mereka sama. 100 kilo dengan 100 kilo. So, ya sama.
Oke.